Yeah, Class A. It's curtains for you. Curtains, I say. Hello, YouTubers. Geezer here. Today's the day Classy gets curtains. We'll go on up in here and see what's going on. There's my charming wife, Lucy. And there's that award-winning smile. Getting ready to tear the old ones down, put the new curtains up. Be back with you.
Well, crap.
Okay, new rod's up. And yes, got out here before noon today. Check it out. What a difference. Lucy's hiding in the back. Take a bow, honey. Nice job.
Quarter of an inch too long.
You'll fix it.
I know.
Good job, honey.
Thank you.
Well, another to-do list item checked off. I think Classy looks a whole lot homier with the curtains and those blinds being out of there. 32 days to departure on the bucket list expedition. Just about a month. But we're going to the fabric store. Going to start working on the bedroom curtains and the privacy curtains. So thank you for stopping by and watching the video. We appreciate it. If you're watching on social media, as always, there's a little icon down here in the corner that you can click on and go to YouTube and leave us a thumbs up, thumbs down, leave a comment. There'll be a link there to our Facebook group page. And I think that's it from Lucy, myself, the rest of the Geezer gang. Happy trails.